Kwa nafasi hii nimkaribishe Mheshimiwa Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya naye atupe semi zake. Asante.
Ladies and gentlemen, amjambo. Now, I want to take this opportunity also to thank the chair and his team, the chair of the disaster response team, for job well done. That's a wonderful job. And we have lived as a party with our motto, tuko tayari, when we have problems like the ones we have. There has been a major problem in this country with the floods all over. And the other day when I met the governor of Busia, he was telling me that the Lake Victoria the water had come up 2 meters high. You can imagine 2 meters high. So it was overflowing. And imagine the rivers also, Rivandoia, Rivayala, they all go there. So it's a really disaster. I want also to thank our parliamentary group under the leadership of Wandai for a job well done, and also Red Cross. We are using Red Cross because they are the professionals who can guide us on this particular issue. I remember in my own, when I was governor in Kakamega, we had such a problem along Rivandoia. And when we went there the following day, people had more than doubled, claiming that they were also affected. When they were not affected, other people had traveled from all over to come and list themselves. So it is very important that we use such a professional body like Red Cross, and thank you very much, Red Cross, for responding. We have not come here for politics, as said before by my colleagues. We are here to help everybody that is affected. When we go to Madare, we will not be looking at this is an ODM supporter, this is an ODM supporter. We are going to help people who are affected as much as we can. I have also regards from our party leader, and he has requested me to read a statement, the position of the party. So if you don't mind, I will read that statement on behalf of the party leader and on behalf of ODM as a party. Fellow Kenyans, the late American greatest boxer of all times, Muhammad Ali, once said, "We can only be truly generous when we expect nothing in return." He was generous in his dispensation of wisdom when he spoke about giving, and not just giving, but putting joy in the hearts of other people. We are gathered here today to exhibit exactly that, what generosity is all about, giving with our hearts for the benefit of fellow humanity. The recent rains that pounded most parts of the country have been a blessing to the nation. Let me put it here. A blessing to the nation in terms of agriculture and ensuring the country has adequate food security for the citizens. But again, the rains have caused devastation to the thousands of people whose lives have been ruined as a result of the raging floods. As a result, many people have lost lives, thousands of households displaced, and property destroyed. It is the cause of the nature which no one can predict nor have the control of. However, moments like these call for unity to face the problem together and holistically. A neighbor's problem should be my problem. A brother's misfortune should be the reason for coming together with only one object of help. Ladies and gentlemen, the ODM disaster response appeal was an idea whose time has come. The appeal for donation of foodstuffs and other items to help in cushioning victims of the devastating floods in the various parts of the country couldn't have come at a better time. This was a great idea that many, and especially the victims of the flooding, will live to remember. It is sad that we have lost many lives as a result of the floods. In Madare, a mother is still searching for her 3 children a week after they were swept by the floods. A couple of weeks ago, a police officer who was helping people from drowning had slipped and fell in Nairobi River and swept away. Stories continue being said, but the question that begs is, what are we doing to help the survivors of these horrifying ordeals and who continue to spend nights in the cold without a meal? It is worth noting that no one has ever become poor from giving. The generous donations from Kenyans towards this cause is a clear indication that we all care for our fellow countrymen. This is a spirit. As a party, we shall continue to stand with the victim of the catastrophe, disaster, and help where necessary, in the spirit of oneness as a country. We appeal to well-wishers to continue bringing in their donation and assure you that the distribution will be done transparently and in full clear of the public. Thank you. God bless you. That is the party statement which will have been read by our party leader. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day for us when we are starting the distribution of the food and non-food items. And as we have said, we will be in Nairobi from tomorrow, and likely next week we'll be moving to other parts of the country. And I hope all of you, we shall move together on this particular disaster. We move together, we be together as a party. Thank you, my colleague, party leader, for also coming for the occasion, and the rest of you. Mungu ambariki.
Aya, Eddie?
Thank you so much.